Hi guys, Briohny here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning on the Sunshine Coast. Today we're just going to run you through a quick job spotlight of a dual battery system that we've installed on this 200 series Landcruiser. So the Landcruisers, depending on which model you have, will either come with 2 starting batteries under bonnet or 1 starting battery under bonnet. This one here had 1, so it's nice and easy to upgrade because there is already space in the engine bay for that second dual battery or auxiliary battery to go in. So basically what we've done is we've put in a second battery in here. We've put in a red arc BCDC 1225D, which is great options with solar input for you. And then we've also put in some power outlets in the rear of the vehicle. So we'll just take you on a quick tour of what's in here. Under bonnet here, we've put in a supercharged all-rounder 105 amp hour. We've kept the existing starting battery that the vehicle had. If you came out with an earlier model 200 series Landcruiser, you would have had 2 starting batteries under bonnet. If you have the 200 series with 2 starting batteries under bonnet from factory, we like to replace both of them. We put a higher powered starting battery in there and then the auxiliary battery. We mounted the red arc BCDC under this engine cover here, and they've cut a hole in the engine cover so that you can see all the display and lights on the BCDC. And then we've run the Anderson plug for the solar input up next to the auxiliary battery for ease of access. So in the rear of the car, we've mounted all your accessory sockets. So the top one here is a dual USB, they're a fast port charge, and then 2 cigarette sockets. So this is typically where you'd put your fridge and you can charge it all out the back, the auxiliary battery. So if you're interested in getting a dual battery system for your Toyota Landcruiser or Prado, you can comment below, drop us an email at info@amae.net.au or give us a call on 1300 227 353.